Oimeri wide jaw alloy steel adjustable wrench tool can also works as pipe wrench, pipe cutter, nail puller, bottle opener, wire twisting tool, screwdriver, trim cutter, etc. This black wrench is really cool. As an adjustable wrench, it is extra wide jaw for larger nuts. Its reversible jaw can be removed and works as a pipe wrench. The big handle is comfortable to grip and do the plumbing work. Use the included screws to install the cutter, to trim or cut pipes. The unique jaw with the nail puller design. 2 wire twisting tool in the handle are suitable for 2.5 to 4 square and 6 square 5-way. Also comes with a slot under the handle for cross screwdriver bit.
Hi, this is the RIDGID K3 toilet auger. It's designed to clear blockages in the toilet. To use it, pull this handle and retract the cable up into the auger. Now, we'll stick the auger down into the toilet, being careful not to scratch the porcelain on the bowl with the end of the auger. Now we're going to turn clockwise and push the cable down into the toilet. You can pull it back and forth to work the area a couple of times. And now we'll give it a flush. This washes off the cable and helps move the blockage down the drain. Now we can pull the cable back, retrieve the auger, shake it off a little bit to get the water, and you're ready for the next job.
EZARC Professional Copper Pipe Cutter Set has 6 pieces of individual bearings allowing for increased cutting speed. Precise rolling control makes every cut smoother and more accurate in pipe cutting. Copper pipe cutter is suitable for cutting pipes with an outer diameter from 1/8 of an inch to 2 inches. And this tube cutter tool is perfect for cutting heavy-duty hard material like thin stainless steel, all soft tubes like aluminum, copper, and PVC. Large tubing cutter cut through 3/16 to 2 inch outside diameter pipes with the thickness of 1/10 inch. Mini tubing cutter cut through 1/8 to 7/8 inch pipes with a maximum thickness of 1/10 inch, especially for use in restricted areas where a complete turn is not possible. Nearly 40% lighter than steel models of the same size. The strength of a professional aluminum wrench provides considerable durability and ease of use, lightweight, less fatigue, and provides maximum productivity for professional users. Sizes include 10-inch, 14-inch, and 18-inch. Plumbing wrench has a non-stick knurled adjustment nut, and self-cleaning threads with easily replaceable hook jaw, heel jaw, and spring assembly. 18-inch pipe wrench overbite jaws provide maximum gripping surface. Drop forged jaw is heat treated to resist distortion or breakage. Fully forged CRMO steel floating jaw allows for quick adjustments and provides outstanding strength. Work with stainless steel clamps of sizes 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, 5/8 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch. Heavy-duty canvas bag for easy carry and storage. Come with metal pipe cutter and 20 pieces 1/2 an inch, 10 pieces 3/4 of an inch clamps. Ratchet and self-releasing mechanism ensure a completed crimp. The cinch clamps need the special cutter to remove clips, which is not in the package. The Faucet aerator tool set are very practical and effective, can be used to replace or clean the blocked aerators, effectively fixes the low flow faucet and gives you smooth flow again. suitable for home, hotels, public facilities and other places. The plastic faucet bubbler wrench can be used to remove faucet and sprinkle aerator, with a non-slip chewing gum coating, suitable for M20, M22, M24, M28. Silicone H-shaped universal faucet aerator removal tool can be used to remove any regular size faucet aerator shell and not got damaged. Garbage disposal wrench helps you quickly and effectively remove blockages in your garbage disposal and unclog food debris such as jam in your kitchen sink, and solve humming noises. Compatible with InSinkErator garbage disposals. Strong and durable alloy steel, it will be a little harder than ordinary alloy steel, so you don't have to worry about breaking easily when using it. Flexible corner design, easy to use in small spaces. Small size for easy storage. Just insert the wrench into the hex socket hole in the center of the bottom of the garbage disposal, turn the wrench back and forth until it can turn freely in both directions, and you can quickly repair and release the garbage. Done in a minute. DrainX hydro pressure bladders are heavy-duty plumbing tools that inject pressurized water into clogged plumbing drains. Connect a standard garden or water hose on one end and insert the bladder into the clogged drain. Fits 4 inches to 6 inches drain pipe opening diameter. Available in multiple sizes for various plumbing pipe opening diameters. Water inlet is compatible with most garden hoses or water hoses. Effective and easy to operate. Can be used on everything from clogged kitchen sinks, bathtubs, shower drains to heavy clogs from hairballs or grease or compacted toilet paper that chemicals, drain snakes and plungers cannot unclog. The disconnect tongs have 3 size teeth available, can easily remove the push-fit fitting, such as push-fit elbow, push-lock fittings, brass push-fit T or push-fit full port ball valve, from PEX, CPVC or copper pipe of 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch or 1 inch. The 9.1 inches long pliers can easily reach parts in tight spaces, and can be properly adapted to most shapes of push-fit fittings, and the 6 inches handle gives you enough power to release the fittings easily. When it comes to copper pipe brazing, circuit board wire soldering or cutting heat-sensitive materials, you cannot afford to settle for low-quality and impractical micro-butane torches. What you need is a dependable and ergonomic cordless soldering heat gun kit that will help take all the hassle out of your soldering/brazing projects, crafts and hobbies with our durable and ergonomically designed, multi-use butane heat torch. Use the electronic ignition button to start up your soldering torch and control your working temperature with the flame control slider. Portable wireless butane torch features a gas control knob, a flame lock-on function and a large tank that will make your job easier. Micro butane torch is ideal for soldering, plumbing, pipe welding, wood burning, jewelry processing, culinary work and hot shrinking. Here's what you get. Wireless butane torch. 6 handy tips for soldering, cutting, shaping, hot air, wide blower, and deflector tip. Sponge for easy cleanup. Soldering kit with wrenches.